Hey everybody, this is Matt Shu from Upright Health, and today I'm going to show you a glute stretch to really help target the gluteus maximus and some of the deep hip rotators to help you work out any kinks that you may end up with in your butt after you've been doing some exercises that I've shown you that actually help work your butt muscles. Sometimes your butt muscles can get really tight from sitting all day. They can get really tight from actually exercising a lot. They can just get kind of spasmed up after not doing enough exercise for too long a period of time. So what we want to do is figure out how to get into the glute with maximum efficiency. And one of the things you'll find from a lot of stretches that you'll see on the internet is they actually kind of take some of the stretch out because they're not, you're not quite holding the leg the right way to actually maximize the stretch on the glute. So today I'm going to show you a quick little modification that'll help you get into your glute and stretch it out and help it get the full range of extensibility that it's supposed to have. Really commonly, when you're trying to do a glute stretch or trying to find one, what you'll see is this stretch where you're crossing one leg over and then pulling up like this and then pulling the knee in like that, right? So you're pulling the knee towards the chest, pulling the ankle towards the chest. And this does get you a stretch in the glute. It does stretch some things out here. But when you think about the anatomy of the glute, it actually attaches here and then goes all the way over here. So the function of the gluteus maximus is to extend the hip and rotate the leg laterally. So that means going here, or actually let me show you this way, kicking back, that's the function of the glute, and rotating laterally like that is also a function of the glute. So when we're going into the glute stretch and we're pulling up like this, we're getting it in one direction, but because we're rotating laterally, we're not getting as much of the glute as we could if we were to alter this a little bit. So here's what we're going to do to really help you get the glute. So let me just show you this little glute stretch. So what you're going to do is you're going to get in tight towards the wall so your knees are bent to less than 90 degrees, your hips are bent to less than 90 degrees, and then you're going to bridge your butt up. You're going to cross one foot over the thigh. Okay, you can play around with this position, but just start with around the ankle and that's good. Pull the knee in towards the chest, and then let your butt drop down towards the floor. As you're doing that, you should feel a pretty noticeable stretch into the glute right here. For some of you, this will be really, really intense. As long as you feel it in the hip, that's good. In the butt area, that's good. If you feel it in the lower back, then you need to back yourself away from the wall and then reset again. You don't want to be putting strain in the lower back. You want it to be all in the glute. And so, like I said, you could also try moving the leg over a little bit more and pull that knee in towards your chest, and you'll get a slightly different stretch, different angle on that muscle. If you feel any pinching in the groin along the inner thigh or right in the joint, you probably don't want to be doing this. You're probably going to need to stretch yourself out a little bit differently before you start doing this stretch. But for those of you who immediately start getting the stretch in the glute, you're good to go. Hold it there 30 seconds to a minute. Keep doing that consistently once, twice a day for a couple weeks. See what kind of extra flexibility you start to notice in there. I've noticed with a lot of people who have been tight there, as they do this stretch more and more, that tightness goes away, and for whatever reason, it actually stays away when you keep stretching it. So give that a shot. Start freeing up your hips and see how that helps you in your daily life. Now, I know, most of us know how to tie our shoes, but in case you're somebody who has some lower back pain, whether it's chronic or whether you just deadlifted 350 pounds and herniated a disc or just plain did something to tweak your back, sometimes you need to figure out how to get down to tie your shoes without making the pain worse. And